Welcome to our tutorial on how to remove the system board of a PowerEdge M640. Please ensure you follow all safety guidelines listed in the safety instructions. Before we begin, make sure to turn off the system and remove it from the enclosure. Now, let's remove the following components: drives, top cover, network daughter card, air shroud, memory modules, processor and heatsink, drive backplane and drive cage. There may be additional components that need to be removed, such as the storage controller card, ID/SDM, the internal USB key, and the PCIe mezzanine card. Next, remove the 2 hex nut and 12 Phillips screws that secure the system board in the chassis. Caution: do not lift the system board by holding a memory module, processor, or other components. Holding the system board holder, slide the system board to the back of the system until the USB connectors disengaged from the slots on the front wall of the system. Lift the system board by holding the system board holder and the I/O connector cover. Now remove the RSPI card. This card must be migrated to the new system board. Install the RSPI card on the new system board. Align the USB connectors with the slots on the front of the system until the connectors engage with the slots. Lower the system board and secure it using the 2 hex nut and 12 Phillips screws. Next, reinstall the components you removed earlier. Start with the drive cage, drive backplane, processor and heatsink, memory modules, air shroud, and finally the network daughter card. After that, close the top cover and install the drives again. Ensure that you reinstall the drives in their original locations. Thank you for watching. We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, please refer to the user manual.